We are coming on a beautiful sunset in Cebu, between Cebu City and Mactao, and over there is the bridge, and that big tower is the new SM Super Mall, or in Europe, Uber Mall. And out there, and there's the clouds that rained on us today. At least the goings of them. Actually, that's probably the rain lifting off of the mountains, evaporating up from raining so much earlier. So those clouds are simply rain going back to heaven to go rain on somebody else's parade. Very nice, pretty view. Pretty view. There it is. What a picture. Maybe I'll get a picture here.